friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on backgrounds, select the black color. Now go to tools, tap on crop and select the portrait. Okay, last one, and you have to tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to go to add photo and you have to select the lightning PNG. Okay, simply stretch it and you have to take it to the top like this. Now next you have to go to blend and you have to tap on screen. Now simply stretch it, after arrange it like this, and you have to go to opacity and decrease little opacity and stretch it like I am doing in the video. Okay, you have to arrange perfectly on the top like this. After it, tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the frame PNG. Okay, simply stretch it and fill it in the rectangle like this. Okay, fill it like this. Now I have to tap on tick. And the next step is we have to go to add photo and we have to select the 9 different photos of yours. Okay, we have to select 9 different photos and keep aside and take one photo like this. Go to crop and select the square. Okay, second one, select the square and arrange your photo perfectly. Now tap on tick mark. Okay, and arrange your photo one by one in each square. Okay, there are total 9 squares and arrange it like this. And after arranging, then go and select next pic and select the crop. Okay, how to select the crop, tap on square and arrange it perfectly, tap on tick and arrange in the next square. Okay, we have to repeat this procedure to each and every single pic. Okay, there are a total 9 pics. We have to repeat this procedure. Go to crop, arrange it perfectly and arrange in the square. You have to repeat the same procedure for the 9 pics. Friends, if you are first time watching my channel, if you are interested in this type of photo editing tutorials, if you want more photo editing tutorials like this, subscribe and tap on this bell icon. Okay, whenever I upload a video you will get the notification directly. And this is the last pic, arrange it in the square perfectly and you have to tap on tick mark. Okay, perfect. Next step, we have to go to add photo and select the sitting position model image. Friends, it will take so much of time, so I already erased the background. Now arrange your model perfectly in the left side like this. Okay, arrange it on the left side. Now go to add photo and select the lighten PNG. Go to blend, make it screen and squeeze it like this, and you have to arrange this one like the shadow effect below the model image. Okay, you have to create this realistic look. Go to layers and you have to tap on move down and you have to arrange this lighten shadow effect like this and go to opacity, decrease little opacity. Okay, and you have to arrange your model perfectly like I am doing in the video. Okay, adjust your model, tap on tick. The next step, go to add photo and select the further PNGs, light bulb PNGs and Instagram logo PNG. You have to arrange it on the right side and arrange these light bulbs on the left side like this. And after arranging it perfectly in that position, go to opacity and decrease little opacity. You have to decrease it like this, arrange perfectly and you have to tap on tick mark. Next step, I have to go to brushes. Okay, and select the fourth brush and select the first effect and arrange the settings like this, and you have to draw 2 stars on the top on left and right side bottom like this. Now tap on tick. Next step, I have to scroll down and go to tools and tap on adjust, and you have to give the final effect, final touch up according to your model photo editing. Okay, and friends, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. If you are interested in photo editing, you want more tutorials like this, consider subscribe to my channel and you have to tap on this bell icon, and whenever I upload a video you will get the notification directly. Okay friends, don't forget to like the video. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.